In this video, I will demonstrate a technique for finding profitable products on Amazon that can generate over $10,000 per month in under 10 minutes. I am currently inside Helium 10, a comprehensive Amazon tool that assists sellers in finding products that are in demand on the platform. For today's tutorial, we will be focusing on Helium 10's black box, which uses various data points to identify potential products that may not be well known. To find suitable products, I will utilize the keyword tab instead of the product tab. If you want a video on how the product tab works or how to find products using this tab, please let me know in the comments below so I can be sure to create more content just for you. There is a section here called Advanced Filters below. Be sure to have the drop down menu open. Now I'm going to start and select one category here, which will be the patio, lawn and garden category. For this example, you can change this yourself or select more depending on your niche. One key aspect of my process is to begin with the search volume. I aim to identify products with approximately 7,000 monthly searches and generating a minimum revenue of at least $6,000 per month. Additionally, I look for products priced between $11 and $59. It's essential to consider the price point, as higher priced products often have higher manufacturing costs. For instance, a product priced at $130 on Amazon may be an expensive product to produce. If you have a limited budget, it is crucial to keep this number lower. Another crucial filter is the review count. I prefer to keep this number low, typically around 100 as the minimum and around 1,000 as the maximum. To further refine the search, I will exclude keywords, which is particularly important during the holiday season. For example, a few months ago, it was Christmas time, so I wanted to exclude any related terms. So I added Christmas, Grinch, Santa, and other Christmas related keywords to the list of exclusions. Additionally, if I see a product that frequently appears, I will remove it to make room for other products, as Helium 10's black box feature only displays up to 200 products or keywords at one time. I also set the max variation count to 1, which means the product will only have one variation, such as a single colour or size. This is because having multiple variations can lead to the need for different inventory, ad campaigns and product SKUs, and also by having a single variation it will make launching your product much more cost friendly, as you will not need to order the different variations, especially when it comes to reordering your stock. Also, by limiting the variation count to 1 or less, I can quickly search for products that catch my attention. So I saw this product right here. It's a flower girl basket, and it caught my attention because they are making around $7,000 to $12,000 in the last month, and over 33,000 people are searching for this on Amazon. So now I'm going to go right here and I'm going to hit view on Amazon and see what the overall market looks like. Again, about 700 plus sales a month. A lot of these sellers sell the exact same flower girl basket, but some of them are doing very well at Amazon. Sometimes though, you need to be aware when there is a lot of sellers selling the same design, this can make it hard to compete. But if you can differentiate this type of product and have a different coloured basket or design, for example, then you can potentially stand out above the crowd and claim your place in the market. But this product is doing very well on Amazon. As you can see, they have very low reviews and they are still getting sales. So from here, I'm going to pull up Helium 10's XRAY tool and check the overall market for this keyword, and we can see that these sellers are doing very well. So just because one product does well and it pops up on the Helium 10 black box tool doesn't mean that the overall market is good, because this to me looks like a medium competitive market. As you can see right here, top seller is dominating the market compared to the others. But if we go down here, there are going to be sellers like this one right here that are still selling above 100 units per month. So really, it all depends on your goals. So, in my opinion, this would be a medium-ranged competitive market. And please bear in mind that this video is for educational purposes only. And always bear in mind that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate Helium 10 tools and show you how you can go ahead and find yourself a good list of keywords and potential winning products. However, here at Freedom Pass, we do have a step-by-step course on how to sell on Amazon, which covers everything from finding your first product, sourcing it, and then actually bringing it to the Amazon marketplace to sell. It doesn't matter if you have zero experience or even if you are an experienced Amazon seller. This course contains beneficial information no matter what stage you are at in your Amazon journey. So if you are serious about selling on Amazon and want to join us, please visit myfreedompass.com/AmazonFBA, and I'll leave a link below to this with a promo code in the description just for you. As well, a little tip for you guys before we come to the end of this video. A lot of brand new Amazon sellers will use trademark brand names, and you cannot do that on Amazon. So always be mindful when finding products or keywords you may stumble across, as you may run into copyright issues. If you do decide to test Helium 10, it is free, but it comes with very limited access. However, I have included a link in the description below where we offer two options, either 10% off for life, or if you want to give it a trial for 6 months, then we offer 20% off for 6 months. I use Helium 10's black box to identify winning products, then analyse factors like profit margin and manufacturer costs. If you're new to this process, head over to my channel to find more relevant videos which cover how to sell on Amazon FBA. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you're enjoying this content, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you want me to cover any specific videos in the future related to selling on Amazon. And if you are kind enough to subscribe to the channel, it helps the channel out more than you know. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.